Tired of appointment book chaos? Let's ditch the stress and build you a stunning hair appointment website in just a few minutes. First, snag a catchy domain name. Think yoursalon.com or yoursalon.com. Use a domain registrar like GoDaddy or Namecheap to see what's available and register your chosen name. Next, choose a hosting provider to store your website's files and make it accessible online. Bluehost, SiteGround, and HostGator are reliable options with different plans to fit your budget. Now for the fun part, building your website. Drag and drop website builders like Wix and Squarespace make it super easy. They offer beautiful templates designed specifically for hair salons. Seamless appointment booking is key. Integrate a scheduling tool like Calendly or Acuity Scheduling. This lets clients book appointments directly through your website, 24/7. Time to make it pretty. Choose a color palette that reflects your brand, select easy to read fonts, and showcase your best work with high-quality photos of your hairstyles. A clean, professional look is essential. Finally, spread the word. Promote your website on social media, run targeted ads, and track your website's performance. With analytics, offer incentives for booking through your website to encourage client loyalty. Now, go get those appointments.